Dr. Varsha Daryanani. I'm a pediatric dentist. My clinic's name is Crown Corner. We are at Nariman Point. Today I'm going to be answering some of the most common questions that parents wonder about their children's dental health. The most common question in parents' mind is, when does the first tooth erupt? The first milk tooth erupts anywhere between 6 months and it goes on till 3 years, and the first permanent tooth erupts at 6 years and goes on till 12 to 13 years. The first dental checkup should be done at the age of 1.5. Most parents want to know when they should start brushing their toddler's teeth. They should start brushing as soon as the first tooth erupts. They should use a finger brush and then slowly graduate to junior toothbrushes. As per the toothpaste, from 0 to 3 years, they should use a zero fluoride toothpaste. From 3 to 6 years, they should use a low fluoride toothpaste. And after 6 years, they can use a regular adult toothpaste. So to inculcate the good habit of brushing, the key is to start early. Let him choose his own toothbrush, a colorful brush, a Disney brush. Show him videos and make it a family routine. Make it a fun routine at the end of the day and even in the morning. One of the most common diseases in children is tooth decay. It happens due to the incorrect diet, a lot of sugars in the diet, incorrect brushing techniques, and prolonged breastfeeding or bottle feeding. It can lead to cavities and infection. This is a milk tooth which has a very deep cavity, and there's infection present in the bone as well. The permanent tooth, as you can see, is forming right under the milk tooth and in the presence of this infection. So the permanent tooth which is formed in the presence of this infection is not going to be healthy. That is why it is necessary to treat the milk tooth. So let us see the correct brushing technique. Stand behind your child. First let them do E and brush round and round, round and round. Then ask them to open their mouths. Do A, back and front, back and front. The lower teeth, back and front, back and front, the upper teeth. What should be avoided is this. This should not be done. So one of the most common things that we see these days is the thumb sucking habit in children, which looks very cute and cuddly, but actually it could have serious implications. It leads to crooked teeth and incorrect jaw development. So to prevent the thumb sucking habit, we have the MyoBrace, which is a soft appliance. It is to be worn in the night. It prevents the habit and also positions the tongue correctly so that the jaws develop better. So to make the visit to the dentist a fun one, we have introduced colorful fillings so that the child can choose the color of his tooth and be a part of the process. I hope the information provided here was useful to you. I wish your children happy and healthy teeth, because happiness always begins with a smile.